today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and start using Apple Pay on your new iPhone. Whether you want to make secure payments with just a tap or store your cards digitally, Apple Pay makes it super easy, so let's begin. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose your card type and follow the steps to add it. You can either scan your card or enter the details manually. Once your card info is added, verify it through your bank. This might include a text message or email. And just like that, your Apple Pay is ready to go. When you're at checkout, just hold your iPhone near the reader and your card should show up automatically. Next, double-click the side button. Use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm. Keep your phone close to the reader for a moment. When you see it done and a checkmark, that's it. Payment complete. You can also use it online or in apps. Just look for the Apple Pay option at checkout. And that's how easy it is to set up and use Apple Pay. It's fast, secure, and you can leave your physical cards at home. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.